Hi, in this video we will see Node.js web application development. Let's start. Open your Visual Studio Editor and go to D drive. I already have created one. I am deleting it and I will do it. Go to D drive, create a folder, name it as Node.js, name it as Node.js, create one more folder, Node.js app. The Node.js app will be your project. Go to your Visual Studio, open the folder, uh, where it is, D drive, Node.js, Node.js app, open it, open the terminal, go to view, terminal, so point your project location. Now type the command npm space init, npm space init will okay. You open command prompt, don't use PowerShell, delete this PowerShell. So now type the command npm space init and npm space init will initialize your package.json. For that it will ask some questions. You have to answer it. It is asking with the package name be Node.js app. Yes, just enter. Version, okay, enter. Description, enter. Entry point, okay, enter. Test command, enter, just enter. Finally give yes. Uh, yes. The package JSON was created. So next you have to initialize basic basic package called Express. So this Express is needed for development of Node.js application. So npm install Express contains basic set of packages for developing your Node.js application. npm space install space Express. npm space install space Express. Enter. So I have installed Express. What is the command for installing Express? npm install Express. npm space install space Express. And you should enter. Say it is installed successfully. I'm creating a new file app.js. Let it act as the main file. So I'm going to keep this app.js as my main server file. Okay. So first take the Express which we have installed. We are going to use the functions of Express. So we need Express. We require Express. Require function Express. Pick it up and store it in a constant. I'm naming the constant as also Express. Next line, create a constant app, give the Express function. So now the basic package tools, or we can use it through app constant. So first we want to run the server. We need some port. I'm giving the port number. Use listen method. I'm giving port number 1000. I want my server to run in the port 1000. To confirm, I'm giving one console log function. So it's successful. It should print this console. Server is running in 4000. Go to package JSON. Initialize one start command. So initializing start command. I want you to go to package JSON. Within that scripts, add one new variable to the scripts. Here, comma, comma, start. If you call start, it should call this code. It should call this command node space app.js. We want our server page is in app.js only, no? So we are calling that one. Check whether autosave is enabled. File, more, okay. Let's continue. So now call the command npm start. Npm start will go and call node space app.js internally. I have given the settings. In package JSON, we have just given the settings. If you call npm start, it will go and call the app.js. See, server is running in port number 1000. Server started running, but inside server, nothing is there. So just the console log alone is printed. So okay, now we are going to add the view page to our project. I am going to use Express handlebars for view pages. For that, we want to install Express handlebars. Where is the terminal? Okay. Kill this. Open new terminal. Open command prompt. Kill the PowerShell. Now to Install Express handlebars. The command is npm space install space express hyphen handlebars. Installed. Now get that express handlebars using require function. Whatever you install, you get that package using the require function. Express handlebars, save it in a constant, name something for the constant HPS. Okay. Now create a handlebar, use the reference, create with the if the file should be with the extension name, it will start with it will end with the extension name dot HBS. Those files are handlebars. We are mentioning that here. So your handlebar is created. Want to tell that to you want to add that handlebars to your app engine. So within app engine, I'm giving the reference for handlebars HBS, comma handlebars dot engine. So we have added handlebars to your server. Now you have to set the view engine off with the app server. Set the view engine HPS. I have given this reference now for handlebars. I'm, I'm setting that to view engine of app server. Okay. Next step, there is no view pages, but we have added handlebars to app server. But we have to create handlebar pages. That is view pages. Create a folder, views. So within the folder, create one more folder, layouts. Within layouts, create one more folder, file, main.hps. So this HPS acts as a main view page. Within this main page, we will embed lot of view pages. So within views, I'm creating one more file. So if the URL is blank, it should display this home page. So embed this home page into the main.hps, main view file. So I'm creating a basic HTML tag in main.hps, HTML5, basic tag, title. For identification, I'm keeping it as main page. So in order to embed this home page, I'm using this triple curly braces of body. This is the code to embed your view pages to main page. Put three triple curly flap brackets and embed this body tag and close all these three flap brackets. Okay, this is the command to embed your view pages to main view page. So within home.hbs, I've given simple h1 tag. Now go to your app.js and tell your server if app.get if your URL is empty, sorry, if your URL is blank, just display me. For that, it need two arguments. One is request and response. The response only as the method to render a page. What page? If the URL is empty or if the URL is blank, it should render me the home page. I am not giving .hbs because by default your app engine will take this .hbs. We have configured here, so no need to give a .hbs. So if you run now, you will see this main.hbs. Within that, your home.hbs will be embedded. Now port number 1000. Go to port number 1000. Localhost port number 1000. See main page. Your main.hbs. Within that, your home.hbs is embedded and it is displayed over here. So now next step, we're going to connect your DB and I want to connect MySQL DB. So first create one more command prompt, kill the previous one, npm space install space MySQL 2. MySQL 2 is the latest MySQL package with npm. I'm installing it. So now require, take it using require method. What to take? Just now we installed MySQL 2. Take it, store it in one constant, name it as whatever name you can keep, MySQL ICP. So this MySQL takes a method dot, this is to establish connection with MySQL. Create pool takes an parameter, host, localhost. Comma user root So now create pool. So within this we are going to give the database connection properties. So here we need to give database connection properties. There is one more method. I'm using that for database connection. That is create connection or create pool. Anyone you can use, but create connection method will be much compatible. So first properties host your DB is running in localhost. Property number two, you have to give username. Username while installation I have given root for my MySQL. My MySQL username is root. I'm giving that. My password for MySQL I have kept is also root. But here whatever you have in your database, in your MySQL, whatever username password you have given, you should give that. I have given my MySQL database username as root and password as root, so that I am giving the same here. But you should give your own credentials for your MySQL. During the installation, you have given some credentials, no, for my installing MySQL. That credentials you have to give. That username and that password you have to give. Comma DB name, DB database. Which database you are going to access? Currently, I don't have any database. I want to create one. I am creating one database in my MySQL. How to zoom this workbench? View some icons, tools, view. It's okay. Create database, create space database space database name. Mm, database name what I can keep. User, user. I kept. I have created one database user. In order to use that database, you have to use command use space user database name. Okay. Okay. So now I am creating a table and that and all we can see later. Database name is user. So I have given the connection. I have established a DB connection. Okay. So I am storing this all these in a constant. I am naming the constant as connection. So first I want to confirm whether this is connected fine or not. DB is connected or not. For that connection dot get connection method is called get connection connect. So to check the database connectivity, use this connect method. Takes two parameters. To check your database connectivity, use the connect method. It takes two parameters. One is error and another one is positive parameter. Response. It will take response. So if there is any error, throw it. Else, console.log say correct. Confirm DB connected. Throwing also just console.log DB not connected. So connection.connect is for confirming your database connectivity. If there is error, it will log DB not connected. If it is a positive message, it will throw DB is connected. Go to your terminal, open terminal, new terminal, kill the PowerShell, let it be in the command prompt, npm space start. See, DB is connected. DB connection is successful. I am creating one table, user data, ID, integer, comma, user webcam. What else? Age, enter mail ID, mail, mail ID, web, webcam, Himalaya, now data book, and this table will be created under which database? User, because right now we are using database user. User is a database which we just created before. Within that user database, user table, user data table is created. Now I am inserting some data in this insert into user data values one dollar first name dollar quality dollar at Gmail. Oh, data sort of one more data I'm adding. Um, I inserted three data. See, I have inserted three data. I want to display it in the Node.js. So for that, just now we have connecting established the connection. Alright. So as of now, as of now, what are all we did? We have just created a Node.js application, created simple view page, and also done DB connection with MySQL. In MySQL, I have created one table and inserted some records. Now, in this is enough for part one. In part two video, we will see how we can able to fetch the records from MySQL table. In MySQL database, we have one table with some records, right? This records we want to view in Node.js application. So we have already connected with MySQL database, and how we can able to fetch the data, and we can able to view that in Node.js application. We will see that in the part 2 video. So until you please practice up to DB connection. Thank you.